Hi guys, this is Mehak.
This is Anahita.
This is Aditi here
Today we are here with Quench.
to show you all what all clay masks do we have.
For every skin type.
So the first clay mask that I have is the Brightening Pink clay mask. It has special ingredients like cherry blossom, grapefruit, and these things really help with a radiant skin. And the best part about this clay mask is that it actually helps with all skin types. And now we'll apply a uniform and generous layer of this clay mask on our skin. You can leave it on for 12 to 15 minutes. Wash it with lukewarm water and then pat dry for a radiant and instant glow.
So with me, I have deep cleansing clay mask. The mask gently cleanses, controls excess oil and adds glow. It also has goodness of avocado, which deeply nourishes your skin. And this one is perfect for oily and acne prone skin. Take a generous amount and spread it all across your face evenly. Leave it for 8 to 10 minutes and then you're good to go. I generally prefer applying it while I'm watching a movie or listening to a podcast, making my Saturday a useful Saturday, making it a self-care Saturday. I love the fact that it's green, it's so soothing and it just refreshes my mood.
So next up, I have the 2-in-1 Vitamin C Scrub Plus Mask, which deeply cleanses your pores, exfoliates and lightens dark spots. The vitamin C in this product boosts collagen and brightens your skin instantly. This definitely is suitable for oily, acne prone and combination skin type. Evenly spread a generous layer and let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Then in circular motion, use the scrub particles to exfoliate. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and then pat dry. Make sure you subscribe to Quench Botanics
And do like,
comment.
And don't forget to share this with your friends.
bye! Sarange!